My name's Elizabeth. Today I'm going to show you how to make a painting using fluid acrylics. I love this method of painting. It's super simple and fun. You don't need expensive materials or a great deal of skill, and yet the end result will be lovely. Gee, that's lovely. You'll need a canvas, some acrylic paints. Anything you've got around the house will be fine. Some plastic cups or containers, some water, a couple of paintbrushes. For the first step, all you need to do is mix a bit of your paint with a little bit of water. The consistency should be not too thick and not too runny, perfect for pouring. The colours I've chosen are gold, dark pink, white and light pink, but you can choose any colours you like. White and blue work really well together. Now for step 2. This is the really fun bit. Begin by pouring your base colour all over the canvas. You can use a paintbrush to smooth the paint over the canvas. Next, I'm going to pour my other paints over the canvas. You can see the colours are already mixing together. We're going to help them even more by moving the canvas around. I'm just going to add a little bit more gold because I've got some left over. And who doesn't love gold? That looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to let this painting dry for 24 to 36 hours in a safe space. For the last step, all you need to do is find a nice new home for your painting.